Hello, future millionaire. Today we're doing a speed test with the lovely Jacqui. Hi, Jacqui.
Hello.
Yeah. What we're doing is I'm going to give Jacqui some Bitcoin, and she has not tried anything like this before yet. This is your first time, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what phone are you using?
iPhone S.
Okay.
7S.
Cool. That's very precise. That's great. Can you go to your phone and use your App Store? Activate
Yes.
your App Store.
App Store.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wonderful. That's great. Now search for the word Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Wonderful. Scroll down. The big B. See that big B? Yes. Get app. Wonderful. Meanwhile, I have my Bitcoin wallet ready. And our timer starts in the moment when your app has been downloaded. And should be downloaded very soon. Yes. Because we're inside the office building, so sometimes the speed can be slow, but now that's done. Open. Now you see what it's doing is it's creating a wallet, a digital wallet on your phone. It's all automatic. You didn't have to give any personal information. There is nothing you need to do. It's done. Now, you press receive. Great. Now I'm gonna send some money. All I'm doing is to scan the code there, and I'm gonna give her $1 today, and I'm sliding. I confirm my transaction. Done.
Wow.
You have just received your first Bitcoin.
Thank you.
How long did that take?
2 seconds.
Literally speaking, 2 seconds, isn't it? And now the best part, Jacqui, is this. What we have done, I could have done with you if you are on the other end of the world. As long as you have internet access, I could have sent you money like what I just did, and I sent you $1 worth of Bitcoin, and the transaction fee for that is so low, it doesn't even register in the balance. That's how low it is. And imagine if I would have sent you actual cash from one country to another country. Let's say you are in Korea, I'm in Argentina, I send you money. If I just send you $1 or 1 yen or whatever currency, you would not have received the money because the bank transfer fee is so high.
Hi.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
If you do it by Bitcoin, the transaction fee is virtually zero.
Amazing.
And I would have been able to do that for even larger amounts, not just $1, $10, $100, $1,000, $100 million would have cost exactly the same. And that's the reason sooner or later everybody will be using this to pay for services. And the best part is for your business, she's in recruiting service, by the way. Guys, if you guys have any recruiting requirements, she'll be more than happy to help you out, right?
Absolutely.
And from here onwards, you are able to accept Bitcoin. Means anybody from any country needs your service, needs to pay you, you can now use that wallet, accept payment in any currency of your choice.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
Yay. Good
Thank
job.
you very much. Oh, that's a high five. Didn't expect that. Wonderful. All right. That's it. See you next time.
Bye.